Next, Legendre series. We have P naught of x is equal to 1, P1 of x is equal to x, P2 of x is equal to 3x square minus 1 divided by 2. From that, x square equal to what? 2 into P2 of x plus 1 divided by 3. Then we can write it as 2 by 3 into P2 of x plus 1 is equal to what? P naught of x. Then P naught of x divided by 3. Also, P3 of x is equal to 5x cube minus 3x divided by 2. From that, x cube equal to 2 into P3 of x plus 3x divided by 5, and instead of x we can write P1 of x. Therefore, x cube equal to 2 by 5 P3 of x plus 3 by 5 P1 of x. A third degree polynomial can be written as P of x equal to any third degree polynomial. We can write it as P of x is equal to b naught plus b1 of x plus b2 x square plus b3 x cube. b naught, b1, b2, b3 are coefficients of constant x, x square, x cube respectively. Then it can be written as b naught into 1. b naught into 1 means what? P naught of x. Okay, we already proved that p naught of x is equal to 1. Then b naught into 1 means b naught into p naught of x plus b1 into x. X means p1 of x plus b2 into x square. Instead of x square we can write from the above formula we can write 2 by 3 into p2 of x plus 1 by 3 into p naught of x plus b3 into x cube. X cube is equal to what? 2 by 3 p3 of x plus 3 by 5 p1 of x. Therefore, we can combine these terms as b naught plus 1 by 3 b2 into p naught of x plus b1 plus 3 by 5 b3 into p1 of x plus 2 by 3 b2 into p2 of x plus 2 by 5 b3 into p3 of x. That is equal to sigma n varies from 0 to 3. Here n varies from 0 to 3 and an into pn of x. An means what? Coefficients of pn of x. Okay, a naught is the coefficient of p naught, a1 is the coefficient of p1, a2 is the coefficient of p2 and a3 is the coefficient of p3. Here a0 is equal to what? b0 plus 1 by 3 a2 and a1 equal to b1 plus 3 by 5 b3. Okay. Therefore, any third degree polynomial can be written as sigma n varies from 0 to 3 an into pn of x. Similarly, any kth degree polynomial can be written as p of x is equal to sigma n varies from 0 to k an into pn of x. Therefore, the Legendre series is an arbitrary function f of x of this form. Okay, this form. That is f of x is equal to sigma n varies from 0 to infinity an pn of x. That is known as the Legendre series. Legendre series is an arbitrary function f of x of this form. Sigma n varies from 0 to infinity an into pn of x. Then multiply the above equation by pm of x and integrate from minus 1 to 1. We can write it as integral minus 1 to 1 f of x into pm of x dx is equal to right side integral minus 1 to 1 sigma n varies from 0 to infinity an pn of x into pm of x dx. We can write the sigma outside. Then sigma n varies from 0 to infinity an into integral minus 1 to 1 pn of x into pm of x dx. By orthogonality property we can write if m not equal to n, then integral minus 1 to 1 pn of x into pm of x is equal to 0. If m equal to n, then we can write it as an into integral minus 1 to 1 pn of x into pm of x. We can write it as, by orthogonality property, we can write it as 2 divided by 2n plus 1. Okay, therefore, from this an equal to what? An is equal to 2n plus 1 by 2 into integral minus 1 to 1 f of x into pn of x dx. Here m is equal to n. That is, we can simplify it as an equal to n plus half integral minus 1 to 1 f of x into pn of x dx, where m equal to n. Therefore, the Legendre series can be written as f of x equal to sigma n varies from 0 to infinity an into pn of x where an equal to n plus half integral minus 1 to 1 f of x pn of x dx. Okay, this is very important. Legendre series is what? F of x equal to sigma n varies from 0 to infinity a n p n of x, and where a n is equal to n plus half integral minus 1 to 1 f of x into p n of x dx. Using this we can do some problems. Find the first three terms of the Legendre series if f of x equal to 0, where minus 1 less than or equal to x less than 0, and equal to x if 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. From the formula, f of x is equal to what? Legendre series can be written as sigma n varies from 0 to infinity a n into p n of x. A n into p n of x means what? A naught p naught of x plus a1 p1 of x plus a2 p2 of x plus etc. Where a n equal to what? N plus half integral minus 1 to 1 f of x p n of x dx. We can find first three terms of the Legendre series means first three terms what? A naught, a1 and an. Okay, then we can write it as a naught is equal to what? A naught is equal to putting n is equal to 0, we get 0 plus half integral minus 1 to 1 f of x into p naught of x dx. We know that p naught of x is equal to 1. Then it is equal to 1 by 2 integral minus 1 to 1 f of x dx. We can split integral minus 1 to 1 as minus 1 to 0 and 0 to 1, because the function is given as minus 1 to 0 it is 0 and 0 to 1 it is x. Therefore, integral minus 1 to 0 dx plus integral 1 to 0 to 1 x dx. Integrating, we get the result as 1 by 4. Therefore, a naught equal to 1 by 4. Next, a1. Similarly, we can write a1 equal to 1 plus half integral minus 1 to 1 f of x p1 of x dx. P1 of x is equal to x, that is equal to 3 by 2 into integral minus 1 to f of x into x dx. Then split the integral minus 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. So minus 1 to 0 it is 0 and 0 to 1 it is equal to x. Then integrating we get it is equal to half. And a2 equal to 2 plus half integral minus 1 to 1 f of x into p2 of x dx. p2 of x is equal to what? 3x square minus 1 divided by 2. Substituting and splitting the integral, we get the final answer is 5 by 16. Next problem. Find the first three terms of the Legendre series f of x equal to e raised to x. Here a naught equal to what? A naught equal to half integral minus 1 to 1 f of x into p naught of x dx. Here f of x is equal to e raised to x and p naught of x is equal to 1. Then integrating we get a naught equal to e minus e inverse divided by 2. And a1 equal to 3 by 2 integral minus 1 to 1 e raised to x p1 of x dx. That is, here p1 of x is equal to x. Then using integration by parts and splitting the no need to split, by integrating we get what? 3 by e. And we can also find a2 as 2 plus half e raised to integral minus 1 to 1 e raised to x p2 of x dx. Here p2 of x is equal to what? 3x square minus 1 divided by 2 dx. Okay. Then finally we get 5 by 2 e minus 35 by 2 e. This is the first three coefficients a0, a1 and n2. We can find what? First three terms using this a0, a1 and a2. That is, first term is what? a0 p0 of x, and second term is a1 p1 of x, and third term is a2 p2 of x. Then a0 into p0 equal to what? 1. Then a0 into 1. That is the first term. Second term is what? a1 into p1. Here a1 equal to what? a1 equal to 3 by e. 3 by e into x. p1 of x equal to x. Then 3 by e into x is the second term. And third term is what? a2 into p2 of x. Here a2 equal to what? 5 by 2 e minus 35 by 2 E. Then that is into P2 of x. P2 of x is equal to what? 3x square minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, these are the first three terms of the Legendre series.